Hello sparkly people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera Valentina, your favorite burlesque YouTuber, and today we are getting into some performance hair hacks. I have to say, one of the most asked questions that I always get is, Vera, how did you do your hair like that? Vera, I saw this amazing hairstyle on this girl, and whenever I do my hair, it doesn't look like that. Why isn't my hair fabulous, wonderful, thick, full, voluminous on stage? And I'll tell you why. It's because you're wearing your own hair. No professional burlesque dancer or performer for that matter wears all of their own hair on stage. Of course, there are some of us who are just follically blessed and have thick, natural hair that can be styled appropriately. It doesn't fall out if it is overstyled or styled a lot. It just looks great all the time. And for those people, this video is not for you. But for those other showgirls who want the secrets, here they are. 7 different hair pieces that you can use for burlesque performance. The first and most common hairpiece that burlesque dancers wear is, of course, the full wig. Now, the full wig comes in a couple different styles. You can go with a human hair wig or a synthetic wig. A human hair wig is going to be more expensive. A synthetic wig obviously is going to be less expensive because it doesn't have any human hair fibers in it. Human hair wigs look nicer, they last longer, and obviously they're human hair, so they're easier to style. Synthetic wigs are much cheaper, they don't last as long, but they do have their merits. The hair that I'm wearing currently is a human hair lace front wig. This wig did come pre-dyed and it came just like this, but most of the time with a human hair wig, you're going to have to style it or dye it yourself. Now, when it comes to a synthetic wig, most of the time they'll come in the color that you're looking for along with the style. All of my burlesque babies, my sparkly people who are watching this video, when you are done with this, I need you to take, no, not when you're done, right now, I need you to take the Performance Hacks Vera Valentina oath that you will never buy another Party City wig to wear on stage. Hand over your heart, promise on the camera. Those are not professional quality wigs. They melt, they don't have hairlines, they get ratty really easily. Waste. Don't do it. Stop.
Go back to Party City where you belong.
The next type of hairpiece that I want to talk about is naturally the half wig. Now, the half wig is for somebody who does still want to wear some of their real hair out in order to create a natural hairline without having to wear a full wig. A half wig obviously goes over the back half of your head and you pull your own hair out in the front to cover the seam. This has clips on the inside and clips in the back, so it'll attach to your head. You can also add extra bobby pins if you feel the need, but these types of wigs are great for headband hairstyles, half up, half down hairstyles, or super voluminous all the way up, updos. Again, half wigs come in the same varieties that full wigs do. You can get a synthetic half wig, and you can also get a human hair half wig. It just so happens that this particular half wig is a human hair and synthetic fiber hybrid. It's lasted me for about 5 years and it's still vibrant, it still curls, it still does everything. Because this is a human hair and synthetic hair hybrid, the only thing I can't do to it is dye it, but it came pre-dyed in the hair color that I needed it to be because this matches my natural hair color underneath the wig that I'm wearing currently. It looks kind of like Cousin It. The next type of hairpiece that is most common for burlesque performers is the clip-in extension. Now, the clip-in extension is good for those of us burlesque performers who want to wear most of our hair out and down. They don't want to deal with all the extra fuss. So what you do to add a little length or add a little volume to your natural hair is you get these bad boys. Clip-in extensions are really easy to put in, obviously, because you just clip them. Most clip-in extensions come in sets with multiple tracks that you can just clip into your hair and then style just like your own. This is from Bellamy Extensions. I bought their full clip-in extension set and it was definitely worth the money. So whenever I want to wear my natural hair and just add a little length and add a little volume, I go to my clip-in extensions. Now, if you're a regular performer, you perform every day, every other day, I'm gonna say that clip-in extensions for your performances are probably not going to be for you. specifically because you do have to manipulate, curl, dye, spray, and fry your own hair along with the extensions. So think about that if you're looking to protect your hair while performing. Okay, so now I'm sure you're asking, well, Vera, what if I want to wear my hair up or half up, half down? What can I use in that case? Well, I've got a few different tricks up my sleeve for you. I promise. If you want to wear your hair in a fabulous updo, but you do not know how to do said fabulous updo, my suggestion would be the fake updo. Now, I am famous for this hairpiece. Everybody always asks me, Vera, how do you get your signature curly top bun? This is exactly how I do it. I wear my natural hair, I slick it up into a natural top bun, roll it up into a knot, and then I pin this bad boy on top of it. This is a synthetic faux bun. These things come in curly, they come in straight, they come in all different colors. Again, you can probably get a human hair version, but this one was on Amazon for I think $10, and it came in my exact hair color. It matches all the other hair pieces that I have, and it is super easy to work with. Now, this one came with clips on the inside of it, but I decided to take those out because they were a little too stressful on my head, and I replaced them with a whole bunch of bobby pins. And I just take this, put it on top of my head, and then clip it, and then all of a sudden, you've got a fabulous burlesque updo. You can use this for a high bun, you can use this for a low bun, you can use this for a medium bun, you can throw this on the front of your head and do a 1940s, 1950s poodle. You can also do a half up, half down poodle, whatever you want. Wear your own hair in the back with some clip-in extensions, or put this on top with a half wig. There's so many combinations of these hair pieces that you can use. But this by far is probably one of my favorite pieces, and it's probably the most utilitarian because all you have to do is put your hair in a freaking ponytail or a freaking bun and then slap this right on top of it, lay your edges down, or not, or don't lay your edges down. Live your best life. But this is a life-changing piece, and you should have one in your stripper closet, in your burlesque bag. You need it. Next in the parade of hair pieces is one of my second favorites. It's the faux ponytail. Now, this ponytail I actually have rolled up into a fun bun, but it just shows you exactly how useful a faux ponytail can be, because it doesn't just have to be a faux ponytail. It can roll up into a bun. You can braid it, you can curl it, you can do whatever you need to do to make it work for the hairstyle that you're trying to achieve on stage. This particular clip-on ponytail is all human hair, and I did dye this hair to be this color so that it would match my natural hair at its tips. Super easy to wear. Another one of those pieces where you just throw your hair in a ponytail or a bun and then pop this thing right on top of it. Holy cow, you're a big kid now. You have a beautiful, long, luxurious ponytail. Now, this one doesn't look so long and luxurious right now because I was using it for something else and it's a little bit dirty, but you guys get the idea. Stop wearing your own little dingle-dangle on stage. It's not because it's not cute in real life, it's just because it does not show up on stage. Just like stage makeup, stage hair serves the same purpose. Big enough to be seen from the mezzanine. So those are all the fabulous hair pieces that we use for burlesque. But let's talk about some other hair hacks that you'll definitely need as a burlesque performer. Let's talk about bumpets. Let's talk about bun formers. Let's talk about hair rats. Let's talk about them. If you do decide to use your own hair on stage and you're trying to make an updo, a nice clean bun, stop doing it without a bun former. These things will change your life. It'll give you the most uniform, easy, smooth, slick bun that you have ever seen before in your life. If you were a competition dancer when you were younger, you've seen this before. If not, take an old sock, roll it up, and make yourself a bun former. This one I actually made from an old leg warmer. It's just rolled all the way up, all the way over itself. Put your hair in a ponytail, smooth that hair on top of it, and you've got a smooth, slick bun for the gods. Bun former. Next, a hair rat. If you're looking to do those fabulous bumper bangs or that fabulous bumper bun, if you don't have a hair rat of your own hair, which is kind of nasty these days, take an old sock, bobby pin it, and use that as a hair rat. This is one that I've used many a time. It's just an old black sock. The next thing is a bumpet. I don't have a bump it, so I'm gonna put a picture of a bump it right in this area, maybe over here. Boom. Bump its will give you high ass hair. If you are looking for volume, get yourself a bump it. Don't rely just on your own strands. Let's work smarter, not harder. Working, thinking dancers. Yes? Dancers should also be thinking about hair nets and hair snoods. These types of things keep our hair nice and sexy on stage. This is actually a snood. I didn't have any hair nets here in the house, so I'll probably put either pictures or y'all know what a hairnet looks like. These keep your buns looking nice. These keep your updos looking nice and keep them together on stage. A combination of a hairnet, some good hairspray, and some bobby pins will change your life when it comes to your updos. I am telling you right now. So I think that we've officially talked about all the performance hair hacks that I personally have. Of course, if you're a veteran burlesque dancer watching this video and you have any other great burlesque hair hacks or tips, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below. And my beginner burlesque babies, if you have any questions for me about these hair hacks, don't be afraid to leave me a comment, shoot me a DM, whatever. I am around to help you. The purpose of this channel is for me to help you go further, faster in burlesque. So never hesitate to ask me a question if you have one. All right, sparkly people, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so that you get notified every single time I upload a new burlesque video. Woo. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.